Hello everyone. In this lecture, I am going to discuss with you application of Laplace transform to solve ordinary differential equation with constant coefficient. Whenever we have a differential equation having constant coefficient with initial condition, then we can solve that differential equation with the help of Laplace transform. Now see what Laplace transform do with differential equation. Suppose we have any differential equation with initial value problem, then what we do, we apply Laplace transform to that differential equation. Then the differential equation converted into algebraic equation. Then we use partial fraction to solve this algebraic equation. You can write solve using partial fraction. Apply inverse Laplace transform. When we apply inverse Laplace transform, we get solution of given differential equation. So let us solve one example. And we have to solve dy dt plus 2y equals to e to the power minus 3t given y0 equals to 1. This y0 equals to 1 is known as initial condition, and with the help of this condition we get particular solution. Now the beauty of Laplace transform is we get particular solution of any differential equation without finding its general solution. So let us start the solution. Above equation can be written as y dash plus 2y equals to e to the power minus 3t. Apply Laplace transform both sides. Apply Laplace transform both sides. We get Laplace of y dash plus 2 times Laplace of y equals to Laplace of e to the power minus 3t. Laplace of y dash can be written as s Laplace of y minus y0 plus 2 times Laplace of y, and it is equals to 1 upon s plus 3. Now we substitute initial condition y0 equals to 1. Therefore put y0 equals to 1 in the given equation. Given equation will become s Laplace of y minus 1 plus 2 Laplace of y equals to 1 upon s plus 3. Now we can take Laplace of y terms together and remaining terms on right hand side. We get Laplace of y s plus 2 equals to 1 upon s plus 3 plus 1, and it is equals to s plus 4 upon s plus 3. Now we can write Laplace of y equals to s plus 4 upon s plus 2 s plus 3. Say this is equation number 1. Now we see when we apply Laplace transform on given differential equation and substitute initial condition, then differential equation is reduced into simple algebraic equation. This equation 1 is known as algebraic equation. Now we solve this algebraic term using partial fraction. Say this is equals to fs Laplace of y. Say this is equals to fs. Take fs equals to s plus 4 upon s plus 2 into s plus 3. Partial fractions will be a upon s plus 2 plus b upon s plus 3 To solve this equation, take LCM. S plus 4 will become A times S plus 3 plus B times S plus 2. Now put S equals to minus 3. We get minus 3 plus 4 equals to, if we put S equals to minus 3, A will be 0. Minus 3 plus 2, it implies B equals to minus 1. To find out A, we put S equals to minus 2. Put S equals to minus 2, we get minus 2 plus 4 equals to, if we put S equals to minus 2, you see this B will be 0. A into minus 2 plus 3, it implies A equals to 2. Minus 2 plus 4 will become 2, and this is minus 2 plus 3 is 1. Therefore, A equals to 2. Now, substitute these values. We get Fs equals to, Fs is equivalent to Laplace of y, and it is equals to A upon S plus 2. 2 upon S plus 2, and value of B is minus 1. Therefore, this one will become S plus 3. Now, we apply our final step. It means inverse. We take inverse both sides. Finally, take inverse both sides. Take Laplace inverse both sides. Left hand side will become y, and right hand side will become Laplace inverse 2 upon S plus 2 minus Laplace inverse 1 upon S plus 3. You all know 2 can be taken outside for being as a constant. Laplace inverse 1 upon S plus 3. Now we know Laplace inverse 1 upon S plus 2 is nothing but e to the power minus 2t, and Laplace inverse of 1 upon S plus 3 is nothing but e to the power minus 3t. Therefore, y equals to 2 e to the power minus 2t minus 3 e to the power minus 3t is the solution of given differential equation. Thank you. This is all for today.